In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to convert your Redbubble designs to KDP book covers. This is a game changer, and this will allow you to convert multiple designs in one go. So prepare yourself for this one, and please drop a like if you're ready for this one. And with that said, let's jump straight into this. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how to improve your print-on-demand shops. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on. That way you won't miss out on any of my videos and you won't miss out on any opportunities to potentially make some extra money online. Now I've got a lot of videos lined up, so I hope you guys are ready for this one. For those who don't know, down in the description, I have a free print-on-demand starter guide that features a lot of the information that I use to make my first few sales online through sites like Redbubble. But for anyone looking to maybe turn this into more of a full-time thing, I also have a paid step-by-step guide down in the description that will pretty much fast track you guys to print-on-demand success. Now with that said, I'm going to be talking about how to convert Redbubble designs to KDP book covers, as I mentioned. The reason I'm making a KDP video for you guys today is because you guys requested it in the comments through my last videos. As you can see here with Leonie saying, I would like to know more about KDP. Kathy saying, thanks for this video. KDP video will be great. Amazon KDP, please make a KDP series. I'd love to learn more about KDP. Thanks for all the advice. Love your videos, from Michelle there. So as you can see, a lot of people were actually asking me to cover KDP. There's a few other sites that were mentioned by people, but KDP was the most popular. I also want to say, for the people that did mention the other sites, don't worry, I will be making videos about other sites, for example TeePublic and Zazzle, so stay tuned for them. I'll be trying to give you as much information as I can, as I know Redbubble at the moment is being a little bit weird. Jumping straight into this, guys, this is what I'm going to be covering. Pretty much how to take a design on Redbubble, which could be on a t-shirt or any product on Redbubble, and turn it into a KDP book cover. Now as you can see there's a black space and then you have the design. The black space is for the back of the paperback book cover, and then obviously you have the design, which would be on the front. Now a lot of you guys, I know for a fact, don't know how to do this, or at least don't know how to do this fast and efficiently, which is exactly what I'm going to be showing you how to do in this video. And once you convert your Redbubble designs to KDP book covers, there's a few more steps you guys need to take after that in order to allow you to actually create a book that you can sell through KDP. A lot of people kind of forget this step, but it's very, very important. You need to actually have an interior that you use with your book cover, for example this, and with the interiors you can go from anywhere from 100 to 120 pages, so on and so on, but the interiors are important. And once you have one interior, you can literally reuse that for all of your future designs, just to make life a little bit easier for you. And there's something I noticed myself: when you look through Amazon and you search for paperback books, you see people that are uploading books through Amazon KDP that have designs that would most likely usually be on things like t-shirts that have obviously been converted to a book cover. And just to show you some quick examples, you should be able to see on the screen two book covers here. One says, "You can't scare me, I'm a retired doctor." And if you look closely, you can see that they've used the distressed text effect, which usually appears better on things like t-shirts, but here it's obviously been converted to be used on a book cover. And then we have a design below that that just says, "Chemistry is like cooking, just don't lick the spoon." And once again, that could easily have been a t-shirt design that's been converted to be a book cover to be sold on KDP. Now a lot of you guys obviously are on Redbubble that watch my videos, and I'm making this video mainly because I want you guys to be able to make use of the designs you already have whilst Redbubble is being weird. And I want you guys to take advantage of another platform, because at the end of the day, everything is rigged in your favor. So if something's not working, it's good to use what you already have to implement growth elsewhere. KDP is really good. For those who don't know, it's an Amazon platform, which means that the amount of traffic, the amount of customers you could potentially get if you find niches that work well enough is crazy, and is a lot bigger than you would usually get on sites like Redbubble. And jumping straight into how you would convert your Redbubble designs to be KDP book covers, what you need to do is go on Merch Titans and go on this page here that says PNG to KDP PDF cover converter. What I'll do, I'll link it down in the description so it's easy for you guys to access. For anyone who's never been on the Merch Titan site, you need to just add an email address, set a password, and verify the email they'll send you, and then that way you'll actually be able to use this for free without any hustle. Once you've done that, when you come to this section here will usually have F's, so usually be like this. This section will usually say 100, and then this section may have like 5x8. Now what you want to do is change the cover size to, well, I like to use 6x9. You can change this to any size you want. I prefer using 6x9, and then once you do that, you can set your page count. So you can put 110, 120, whatever floats your boat. And then once you have the page count, you want to set the background color of your book. So you just do that by clicking on the section with the F's, and you can literally drag this down to black, and then you have a black book cover, given that you're uploading a design that's mainly white or has white colors in it. Now once this is done, what you want to do is choose the files that you're going to be uploading and converting to KDP book covers. So I'm just going to open up a file here which has some example Valentine's Day designs that I made. As you can see here, it says our first Valentine's Day going all the way to our 8th Valentine's Day. So let's say this was one of your designs that you scaled and you want to convert this into book covers. You select everything just like this, click on open. Once you do that, you see that all your files are now showing here. Once all the files are here, you just want to click on convert all, and then all of them, as you see, will go through the process of converting. And I'll just quickly jump to once everything is done. And once all the files have been converted, you'll see a little download button next to them. So if you want to download individual images, you could just click on the download button next to it. But if you want to download everything at once, this is where you'd go on download all, and it would download the files in a mini PDF zip file. Now, in case you're wondering why the files are downloaded in PDF, it's due to the fact that when it comes to uploading for Amazon KDP, it needs you to upload PDF files. And guys, once all the files are converted to PDFs, they will all look like book covers that look similar to this. You have, if you have multiple designs, you have all your designs on pretty much the same canvas like this, same background, and they're now pretty much ready for you to put the interior before you can upload them to KDP. Before we go into the interior, I just want to say I have actually previously made a video on KDP. If you haven't checked that out and you're looking to see more information on how to go about this process and other ways you can actually utilize different tools, I'll link a video down in the description where I spoke about KDP. But yes, once the book covers are sorted, you now need an interior, only one interior that you can actually use for all your book covers if you want. And to get to that, you need to go on Book Bolt, and once you're here, you go on resources. Once you're here, you want to go on Interior Wizard, and this should open up in a second. Once this opens up, you just want to click Interior Wizard again, and then you will see obviously all these different templates you can use. Now the first thing you want to do is click on bleed, and then you want to set the dimensions for your journal slash book, notebook, whatever you're creating. Now, as you saw before, I use 6x9, and make sure that I use 6x9 once again. And then page count, I would go 119. Now you might be thinking, okay, last time I chose 120, why am I using 119 now? I like to put book covers in most of the books or journals that I create. So when I'm downloading an interior, I usually go with one less page, but you don't have to. You can just go with 120 if you want to make life easier for yourself. And then once you have your pages sorted, you want to click on the interior you want to use. So this blank page, College Road. Let's say I'll just go with journal as an example. Once that's selected, you want to make sure that your dimensions are right. You can either go with 119 pages if you want to create a front cover, or you could just go with 120 to match the book cover if you don't want a front cover for it. Once this is done, you just click download, and then just like this, you'll be able to download these interiors, and you can use the same interior for all of the book covers you create. This is actually one of the example books that I showed you guys before. As you can see, the front cover says, "You can't scare me, I'm a retired doctor." And if you scroll down, you can see that they're using exactly the same interior style that we've just created there. And this is a book that's currently selling on Amazon right now, and they've most likely uploaded this through Amazon KDP. So if this person can do it, so can you. I mean, you now have the tools, you now have the skills, so I don't want to be hearing excuses from yourself. If you're on Redbubble and you're not on KDP, you need to jump on, get the designs you already have and transfer them across. Once again, it's a very, very easy process, as you've seen in this video. Nevertheless, let me know what you thought of this, and if you want more information on KDP, check out the first ever video I made on KDP, which will be linked down in the description. If you've made it to this point of the video, comment down in the comment section, time to scale, because I know for a fact you guys can easily scale your Redbubble designs onto Amazon KDP. Nevertheless, that is it from me today. Always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.